Hi! In front of me is Honorbot X8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Biometrics and Password. Now select Face Recognition at the top. Enter your current login method and click on this little square next to Enable Rise to Wake to enable or disable this option. When you are done, click on Get Started, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can manage all of those options however you wish to, and when you are finished, hit Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my tablet. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!